Good afternoon, it's Dr. Rich again. One of the important elements of your assignments in this class is coming up with descriptive statistics for some of your variables. Now, note that you don't need to do descriptive statistics for every single variable in a data set. That would be too much. What you want to do is figure out what the key variables are for the research question, for your hypotheses, and so forth. So once you figure out what the key or important variables are in your statistical analysis, you can do descriptives on those. So I'm going to do some descriptive statistics on several variables here. Maybe salary seems to be a good one to pick. Maybe we'll do some frequency charts for gender or employment status, something along those lines. So I'll start with getting descriptive statistics for salary. We can do descriptive statistics in terms, just in terms of the numbers. We can also do visualizations and graphs. So we'll start with the descriptive statistics like mean, median, mode, etc. for a continuous variable like salary. So let's do analyze descriptives. We'll just do descriptives. And we'll pick salary. Move that over there. We have some options. We want mean, standard, deviation. We can do variance too. Range, let's do kurtosis, skewness. Okay, and continue. You can leave these two buttons alone. Just click OK, and we'll see what we come up with. We have some descriptives. We have 311 entries in this data set, so that's rows, number of rows. We have the minimum and maximum values for salary. 45 grand is the lowest and 250K the highest. We have the mean, the standard deviation, variance, and we have our skewness and kurtosis. So those are some descriptive statistics that you can include in your assignment. So that's number one there. Let's do some frequencies. Well, descriptives and frequencies, and we can pick a variable like, let's see, how about employee positions? Charts, we'll do bar charts, frequencies, okay. And we'll click OK there, and it'll give you the frequency of each of these. There's only maybe one for some of these roles. And we can see the frequency chart with the production technician 1 being the highest. Now, I don't know about you, but I don't want to count them all up manually, so we have charts and graphs to help us easily identify where the bulk of the positions are. It's clearly in your production technicians. This is a data set from a manufacturing company, so this just makes sense. So you want to think about context of the data as well and whether it does make sense. Okay, so we have that. We also have some other charts we can do. We'll do descriptives. We'll do some more frequencies. Aside from position, we could do things like department. Okay, and we have the departments over here. I can't remember the codes for each department, but there is another variable in here somewhere that has the name of the department, not just the number. The number 5 is probably the manufacturing department with all the production technicians in it. Okay, so part of your descriptive statistics includes both coming up with the descriptives for your key variables, your numeric, the range, the mean, the median, mode if you want. And then you also have the graphs that you can do as well. So keep that in mind as you're going through the descriptive statistics analysis for your homework. Okay, that's all for now.